Hi, this video is about how to put two handles on one door panel like this one. So this is the initial design with only one handle on each door drawer panel. First, I'm going to press Ctrl and Shift button to select the unit as a whole, else you will only select one door panel. Then right click, select handle installation. Now I'm going to move all the three handles to the left. Just choose the handle location here. Then you may adjust the X distance. Let's say I put 100, enter. Next, click Add here and select the same handle. You will get three new handles at the same time. Now press Ctrl to select the three new handles. Then select the handle location and change the distance in X 100, enter, and we are done. Happy trying. Bye.